Looking for a dependable locksmith? Call Secure Locksmith in Aurora.com 720-248-4505. Whether you're locked out of your car, need commercial door locks repaired, or home door locks repaired, give us a call 720-248-4505. Look at the 5-star reviews, 31 reviews 2 days ago. Professional, punctuality, quality, value. Fast is right. After calling 2 other companies and getting less than enthusiastic response, I decided to try these gals out. The locksmith came out the same day, very quickly installed a new door handle and deadbolt. Love that feedback. Thank you. Again, you need a locksmith? Call us now, 720-248-4505.